The app that we are going to be building today is an authentication system app. As you can see here, we have a form that is going to be divided between a login form, a sign-up form, and also we'll be having a modal that says forget password. So basically, since we don't have a user, we are going to sign up. So let's put here carlos@hotmail.com, for example, and then let's put some password. As you see here, we also have the functionality of showing or hiding the password. So this is for verifying the password. And once we click on the sign up, so for example, here, password needs to be at least 6 characters. So let's put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because the passwords need to be matched. Good. So let's click on sign up again. And once we click on sign up, it will be opening an alert that says sign up successfully, please login. Good. And once we click on the OK, as you see, we are then redirected again to the login form. So here, for example, I'm going to put the ground credentials. So let's put here carlos dot something gibberish @.com and then the password. And if I click on login, this will be saying invalid email or password. Or if, for example, here I don't put an email that is following the email format. So let's say this, for example, and I click on login. This will be telling me that, of course, I need to enter an email with the email format appropriate. So let's put the correct information. Next, let's click on login. And once we click on login, this will be redirecting us to the dashboard page. In this case, we are getting an alert again and says login successful, redirecting. Let's click on OK. And once we are redirected, we will be on another page that in this case is dashboard.html. And here it will be displaying our information. Welcome to your dashboard. Your authentication token email was successfully retrieved from local storage, because we will be using local storage in this lesson. And then here we have the status and also the email that we use. If by some reason we want to log out, we just click on here on the logout, and we are going to be redirected to the, in this case, the login page. So let's say that, for example, maybe I forgot my password. I can click here on forget password. And here, for example, let's try by putting an incorrect email. And if I click on here, it will say user with email Carlos is not registered. Good. So now let's try with the correct one. And you see, password recent link sent to carlos@hotmail.com. Check your email. Okay, so as you see, we are building a robust, in this case, authentication system that, of course, is not following the guidelines or by using a database or some other authentication mechanisms. But in this lesson, you are going to learn how an authentication logic works in the background, so you know how the users are determining if they are going to be authenticated or not according to their credentials, and also at the time of registering and forgetting the password. So let's go to the coding section, because we are going to have a lot of knowledge on this lesson, and also I'm going to show you step by step how can you do this form.